Mr. Alley right now is like, help, I can't see. Hi friends, Miss Hazel here.
And Miss Kate.
Hello friends. Okay, we have this very cute little paper mache owl to make, but I need your help. We need a name for him. So we're sort of floating some names here in our space. So if you have ideas for what we should name our owl, you should comment on this video and help us come up with a name for Mr. Who. Okay, here we go. You can watch us make this. Here we go. First we have to build the frame. So I'm using like one sheet of newspaper. I'm gonna crumple it up. And then I think that that's enough. And then I'm going to put a little tape on it so it stays in its circular-ish kind of shape. Like that. Again, not an exact science. So then foil is kind of, we use these foil sheets. Foil is kind of great because you can make it into whatever shape you want. So I'm going to put it on top of my thing, and I'm going to make the ears out of the foil because I think that way I can shape them. They're little ears, little owl ears, and sort of wrap it around. But you could see how if I made the ears bigger, it could be a cat. It's alright. I feel like, does that look owlish?
It's owlish, yeah. And once you paint it and put the eyes
exactly. Yeah, alright. I feel like that is owlish enough. Yeah, and it's going to sit. Okay, now we have made our frame. Kind of simple. This project we're going to use plaster strips, but you know you can do paper mache in different ways. All right, and I'm going to use some water because that's what's going to wake it up. And look what I brought. Plaster kind of dries out your hand, but I'm going to my gloves on. You cover your workspace.
Yeah, this is messy.
This is fun though. So you're going to dip it in. The extra water off, put it on your little owl friend, and then wake it up. I cut the strips.
Like a massage.
Yes, because you see all the little holes in the plaster? You kind of want to go in and then make it so the holes disappear. Okay, so here is the owl. It's done. It has to dry. So I'm going to put it on a piece of foil. This owl is now ready to dry. I'm going to go put it away so it dries. Oh, hang on a second. Hello. I made this one a couple days ago. So it's dry and ready to paint. We've got some little scraps of felt and some scissors, but we're going to put those on after. Now I'm going to get a palette for my paint. My owl is going to be brown. All right, so I feel like my owl is going to be, you know how owls sort of have their feathers and I'm going to make it so that the tummy is orange. And then after it dries, because I like a little pop of pizzazz, I'm going to put a little golden on it. Okay, so now I painted the bottom, paint the top. So it's getting close to Thanksgiving, and I am super thankful for so many things. I'm thankful for my friend Miss Kate and my family and everybody's good health. It's kind of nice. I'm going to put this down because I'm afraid my owl is going to stick. So I am thankful that I get to come and hang out with you guys. I know. So I have some felt scraps, and I think that I have sort of a different color brown. So I'm going to fold it in half. And if you are not as confident as me to just cut with scissors some sort of funny little wings, you could draw your wings out first. And I'm going to cut 2 at the same time so that they're the same. All right, so there are those. I'll glue those on in a second.
Okay.
I'm going to make 2 eyeballs. I'm going to cut them together so that I have similar size eyes. Mr. Alley right now is like, help, I can't see. I'm going to use this little black scrap to make the pupils. So now I'm going to get my glue. Here it is, gluey glue. And I'm going to glue my eyeball on. All right, now, I don't know if it's all the way dry, but I'm just going in. Oh, so cute. You see that?
Does he have giant? I can't see.
Well, you
on
can
this
see
side,
he has
but yeah,
giant
signature.
eyes. You'll see. Okay, look, it's coming together. Hi, Miss Kate.
Whoa, hello.
Yeah, all right, and then we got to make his nose. Okay, there's the owls.
He's so cute.
Right, and now I'm adding the wings on the giant. What did I keep giving it a new name? His wings might be too big. Or not.
He's super cute.
There he is. Well, remember, he's the one or she's the one that's going to be a great flyer and fly a long ways with the long wings. So there you have it,
Oh, he's so cute.
right?
Yeah.
Okay, owl friends, you've learned it here, how to make them. Also, please come up with a funny name for our owls. Thanks for joining us. Happy Thanksgiving. Again, we all have so much to be thankful for, or I have so much to be thankful for. Okay,
All right,
thanks friends.
everyone.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.